Good morning, folks. Captain Dave Perros here over at Barnstable Harbor at what's known as the Blish Point boat ramp. Basically, access to from here is you've got the entire Barnstable Harbor area, which has a wide variety of fishing, from jigging wire in the channels and live lining mackerel in June. Flats fishing, you've got the Great Marsh and the backside of Sandy Neck where you can go in and plug and basically, do soft plastics. Hoagies are one of my favorite absolute lures in here. Early morning fishing is unbelievable. The boat ramp has certain limitations. It's usually in good condition. One of the challenges with the boat ramp, as you can see, is it does have a tendency to fill up with sand, and you really need to stay close to the float to get your trailer in even, because the sand does build up here. It is one boat at a time. You have a really nice float, and you can usually tie up a couple of vessels. There is fuel up inside that you can purchase from the private marina up inside, so that's kind of a nice thing. You have the Mattakees Wharf restaurant right over here. And you also have Oysters, I think it's Oysters 2, seafood place here. So there's some kind of nice things. But generally speaking, most of the people who come here are launching to go fishing. You'll get a lot of people that come here also to launch and to go out to West Bar. When the tide drops, you'll get a ton of boats pulled up there. It's kind of a neat place to just hang out on the beach out there. As far as fishing beyond Barnstable, you've got a shot over to Provincetown. People go to Billingsgate. They go to the east entrance to the canal. You've got the Fingers, just a ton of areas. Techniques, a lot of tube and worm fishing for the guys who troll, some jigging wire, umbrella rigs out at Billingsgate. You can shoot from here and go east to the Brewster Flats and off of Wellfleet. So kind of a nice area, but as I said, it is very highly tidal dependent, especially around the moon tides or low tide. You got a big boat, you're not going to get enough water in here to get your boat off of a trailer, especially if you have a bunk trailer like I use. I use this ramp quite a bit. I really like it out here.